Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we have an important topic that focuses on achieving younger-looking skin by avoiding certain popular foods that can contribute to premature aging. We all desire radiant, youthful skin, and our diet plays a significant role in achieving that goal. In this video, we will uncover 10 popular foods that you should avoid to maintain a youthful appearance and reveal age-defying secrets. So, let's delve into this comprehensive guide and discover how our food choices can impact the health and vitality of our skin. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable beauty tips and information. Number 1. Sugar. Sugar tops the list of foods to avoid for younger-looking skin. High sugar consumption can lead to glycation, a process that damages collagen and elastin, resulting in wrinkles and sagging skin. Additionally, sugar triggers inflammation in the body, which can accelerate the aging process. To maintain youthful skin, it's essential to reduce your intake of sugary drinks, desserts, and processed foods that are high in added sugars. Number 2. Fried foods. As much as we may enjoy the crispy texture and indulgent taste of fried foods, they can have detrimental effects on our skin. Fried foods are often cooked at high temperatures, which leads to the production of harmful free radicals. These free radicals promote inflammation and oxidative stress, contributing to premature aging. Limit your consumption of fried foods like French fries, fried chicken, and onion rings, and opt for healthier cooking methods like baking or grilling. Number 3. Processed meats. Processed meats, such as sausages, bacon, and deli meats, should be consumed in moderation for the sake of your skin's health. These meats often contain preservatives, additives, and high levels of sodium. Additionally, some processed meats undergo cooking processes that generate harmful compounds known as advanced glycation end products, AGEs. AGEs can damage collagen and elastin, leading to the development of wrinkles and fine lines. Number 4. Refined grains. Refined grains, like white bread, white rice, and pasta, are stripped of their natural fiber and nutrients during processing. These refined carbohydrates have a high glycemic index, causing a rapid spike in blood sugar levels. When blood sugar rises rapidly, it triggers a cascade of events, including inflammation and the production of AGEs. Instead of refined grains, opt for whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, and whole wheat bread, which are packed with nutrients and fiber that promote healthier skin. Number 5. Alcohol. While a glass of wine or a cocktail can be enjoyable, excessive alcohol consumption can take a toll on your skin's appearance. Alcohol is dehydrating, and dehydration can lead to dryness, dullness, and the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Moreover, alcohol can dilate blood vessels, resulting in a flushed complexion. Limit your alcohol intake, and when you do indulge, remember to drink plenty of water to counteract the dehydrating effects. Number 6. Sodas and carbonated beverages. Sodas and carbonated beverages are not only high in added sugars but also contain artificial additives and preservatives. These beverages can lead to inflammation in the body, which can manifest as skin issues like acne and redness. Additionally, the high sugar content can contribute to glycation, causing collagen and elastin damage. Opt for healthier alternatives like infused water, herbal tea, or homemade fruit juices to quench your thirst and keep your skin looking youthful. Number 7. High-sodium foods. Foods high in sodium, such as processed snacks, canned soups, and fast food, can have negative effects on your skin's appearance. High sodium intake can lead to water retention, causing facial puffiness and swelling. Moreover, excessive sodium consumption can disrupt the balance of electrolytes in your body, leading to dehydrated and dull-looking skin. Be mindful of your sodium intake and opt for low-sodium alternatives whenever possible. Number 8. Trans fats. Trans fats, commonly found in processed snacks, fried foods, and baked goods are notorious for their harmful effects on overall health, including the skin. These artificial fats increase inflammation in the body and interfere with proper cell function, resulting in accelerated aging. Avoid products that contain partially hydrogenated oils and opt for healthier fat sources like avocados, nuts, and olive oil. Number 9. Artificial sweeteners. Artificial sweeteners, such as aspartame, sucralose, and saccharin, may seem like a healthier alternative to sugar, but they can have adverse effects on your skin and overall well-being. Some studies suggest that artificial sweeteners may disrupt the balance of healthy gut bacteria, which can influence skin health. Instead of relying on artificial sweeteners, try natural alternatives like stevia or enjoy the natural sweetness of fruits in moderation. Number 10. Excessive caffeine. While a morning cup of coffee can provide a much-needed energy boost, excessive caffeine consumption can have negative effects on your skin. Caffeine is a diuretic, meaning it increases urine production, which can dehydrate your body, including your skin. Dehydrated skin can appear dry, dull, and prone to wrinkles. If you're a coffee lover, make sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day to maintain hydration. In conclusion, maintaining younger-looking skin goes beyond topical treatments. It requires making conscious choices about the foods we consume. By avoiding high-sugar foods, fried foods, processed meats, refined grains, excessive alcohol, sodas, high-sodium foods, trans fats, artificial sweeteners, and excessive caffeine, you can protect your skin from premature aging and maintain a more youthful appearance. Remember, everyone's skin is unique, so listen to your body and make informed decisions about your diet. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable beauty tips and information. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video, where we'll continue our journey towards healthier, more vibrant skin.